Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our YouTube channel, Financial Education, where we are dedicated to providing comprehensive knowledge and insights to empower individuals like you in their journey towards building prosperity and unlocking their full financial potential. Today, we embark on a transformative and enlightening exploration in our video titled, Building Prosperity, A Path to Financial Freedom. In a world where financial stability often feels out of reach, it is crucial to equip ourselves with the necessary knowledge and skills to navigate the intricate landscape of personal finance. We firmly believe that everyone, regardless of their current financial circumstances, has the capacity to build a prosperous future. By adopting the right mindset, utilizing the appropriate tools, and investing in financial education, we can lay a solid foundation for a brighter tomorrow. Building prosperity begins with a fundamental understanding of financial literacy. It is about mastering the basic concepts of money management, budgeting, saving, and investing. Financial literacy empowers us to make informed decisions that align with our long-term goals. It equips us with the skills to navigate through the complex world of personal finance, enabling us to create a life of abundance and security. While the path to prosperity may seem daunting, it is important to remember that it is a journey, not a destination. It requires discipline, perseverance, and a willingness to learn from both successes and setbacks. Each step we take towards financial freedom is a step closer to realizing our dreams and aspirations. It's important to embrace the learning process and remain committed to continuous improvement. One of the key pillars of building prosperity lies in understanding the power of budgeting. A well-structured budget acts as a roadmap, guiding us towards optimal resource allocation. It enables us to track our income, expenses, and savings, providing a clear picture of where our money is going and how it can be optimized. By making conscious choices and prioritizing our financial goals, we can make meaningful progress towards building wealth. Saving is another crucial component of the prosperity building process. It often underestimates the impact of saving, dismissing it as a trivial exercise. However, saving is the foundation upon which financial security is built. It allows us to create an emergency fund, mitigate unforeseen expenses, and plan for the future. By adopting a disciplined saving habit, we can safeguard ourselves from financial uncertainties and create a cushion for the opportunities that lie ahead. However, building prosperity goes beyond saving alone. It involves the art of investing wisely. Investing is the engine that accelerates wealth creation. By deploying our savings intelligently into diverse asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or even starting our own business, we can generate passive income and grow our net worth over time. While investing carries inherent risks, understanding the principles of risk management and conducting thorough research can help us make informed investment decisions. In addition to personal finance, building prosperity also entails cultivating a mindset of abundance. It requires us to embrace lifelong learning, constantly expanding our knowledge and skills. By staying updated with the latest market trends, investment strategies, and financial opportunities, we position ourselves at the forefront of wealth creation. It is crucial to surround ourselves with like-minded individuals who inspire and support our journey towards prosperity, fostering a community of growth and collaboration. Remember, building prosperity is not just about accumulating wealth for ourselves. It is about using our resources and knowledge to make a positive impact on others' lives. As we achieve financial freedom, let us also extend a helping hand to those in need, supporting charitable causes and promoting financial literacy in our communities. Together, we can create a ripple effect of prosperity, empowering others to realize their dreams and aspirations. In conclusion, the video Building Prosperity serves as a catalyst for our shared journey towards financial freedom. It emphasizes the importance of financial literacy, budgeting, saving, investing, and cultivating an abundance mindset. By arming ourselves with knowledge, discipline, and a long-term vision, we can unlock the door to prosperity and build a life of financial abundance. Join us on this transformative path as we empower ourselves and others to create a brighter and more prosperous future. Together, let us take the necessary steps towards building a solid financial foundation and seize the opportunities that lie ahead. The path to financial freedom awaits us, and by embracing it, we can shape our destiny and achieve the prosperous future we deserve.